That's why we're going to Walmart early.
Oh, yeah, because you forgot to pack it.
Oh my God.
I need belt because I'm losing all kinds of weight. My
Yeah.
pants fall off, and I know you like that, but I don't.
Yeah, but you want me to pack everything. That's why you forgot that. I will kill you
What if I kill you
my
first?
with my love.
Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Work my way, yeah.
Hi guys, good morning! Welcome back to our YouTube channel! And for today's video, papunta na kami ng Federal Vet. Ayan, kasi kailangan pumirma yung vet ng government dito para paalisin na si Sammy kasi pasaway siya dito sa Canada. Pasaway ka, tama? Ayun yung appointment, 9 a.m.
No, we got 9 appointment at 10.
10.
We're going to Walmart for you.
Ayan.
Academy Road East.
Ganyan dito sa Winnipeg, guys. Nasa ibang part kami ng Winnipeg. Tingnan mo yung usok ng sasakyan. Good morning, son! Good morning, good morning! Yan, bridge. Ayan, tingnan nyo yan.
Oh, why
Use the
not?
left lane. to
Ayun
take
yung
the
mga
exit toward
bahay,
Academy
yung
Road East,
lake,
then merge onto
frozen,
Academy Road.
river. Ayan. Ayan. So, yung appointment pala ni Samwise Kemji.
Sammy?
Yung appointment pala ni Samwise Kemji is 10. So, maaga kami kasi bibili kami ng belt sa Walmart. Hindi ako yung bibili. You're the one that needs belt, not me. That's why we're
Oh.
going to Walmart
Oh,
early.
belt, yeah, because you forgot to pack it. I need belt because I'm losing all kinds of weight. My
Yeah.
pants fall off, and I know you like that, but I don't.
Yeah, but you want me to pack everything. That's why you forgot that. I will kill you
Not if I kill you first.
with my love. Oh my goodness. Ayan. Masyadong malamig, guys. Ayan. So, ang city na to, ngayong alas 9 ng umaga. Yung Winnipeg, isa to sa mayamang city dito sa Canada. Bali, pang siya, pang 7. Ayun, ang pinakamayaman would be Toronto. Ayan, school bus. Swerte yung mga bata dito, naka-school bus sila everyday. Samantalang tayo dyan sa Pilipinas, maglalakad tayo ng 2 hanggang 3 kilometro. Yan, ganyan siya. Sammy, are you excited?
Oh my goodness, Samwise Gamgee.
Isang tulog na lang, Sammy!
Honey
Ward.
Bunch, can I have some lips on? My lips are dry.
Ah, okay.
Thank you, Honey Bunch.
Alright. And maglilip balm si Honey. Kasi nga, dry din yung lips niya.
My lips are so dry because you kissing me so much last night.
Wired to ng front camera. Yan. Front and back camera.
Yeah, that's in case somebody we get into an accident, blame me, because I never get in accidents.
Whatever.
I'm kidding.
Ayan, so yung binili ko dito, Nevia pa rin, syempre, Philippine. Nagtitiwala tayo sa Pilipinas na brand. First time kong nag-gel polish. Naglaba ako ng towel. Yung face towel, hindi naman siya natanggal. Maganda pala siya, matibay. Ayun. So, isang tulog na lang, guys. Sana pipirmahan ng vet para maka-fly na kami. Kasi hindi na kaya yung ginaw dito. Yan yung mga bahay dito. Ayan. Good morning, son! Ganyan. May second floor, may ground floor. Yung second floor siguro wala yan wala yan basement. Ganyan. May malaki, may maliit. Ayan. Pero kita nyo naman yung mga puno. Ganyan. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Para kang nasa Sleeping Beauty ba yan? O
Look
Beauty?
at all these older houses.
Yeah.
This is the ritzy tuxedo, where
Yeah.
rich people live in these big old houses.
Yeah, ito daw yung
Oh, and that's a
place.
new one. So somebody tore an old one down and built a new one there.
Yeah.
Or building.
So, ito daw yung mayaman dito na mga tao. Ayan, ito yung mga old house dito. Yan, ganyan siya, guys. Tingnan nyo, yung yellow na sa gilid, tapos yung puno, ganyan. Pero babalik din to pagdating ng spring. Mga March, April, umpisa na siyang magkaroon ulit ng dahon. Ayan, ganyan siya. Parang hindi ko masabi kung para siyang yung tawag dito, Bel Air ba o Corinthian sa Pilipinas. Pero definitely hindi siya the Forbes. Ayan. So, after ng Walmart namin, pupunta kami ng vet ni Sammy. Tapos after ng after ng Walmart, pupunta kami ng vet, and then may isa kaming may isa kaming balikbayan box na ipapadala sa Pilipinas. Kaya pupunta kami sa UMAC. Ayan. Malaking cargo company dito yung UMAC. Ang owner is Filipino. Yan siya, guys, sa umaga. Hello, Mr. Sun. Ganyan siya. Ayan, so ito medyo hindi na to richy-richy na mga bahay. Yung normal lang to na mga bahay.
These look like old wartime houses.
Yeah. Parang
One
Pupunta ka kay
two-bedroom, I guess a lot of these.
yeah. It's like watching Narnia. Andito yung witch. Yung kalaban ni yung kalaban ni ano pangalan? What's the name of the lion in Narnia, Han?
Leo?
Sana napanood niyo yung movie na Narnia kasi iiyak talaga kayo.
Oh, wait. It's right there.
Because Lion King would be Simba.
Yeah,
So Narnia, I forgot.
me too. It's...
So, yan. Mamaya i-google ko na lang kasi ayoko sumakit yung ulo ko. Pangalawang beses na to na na uminom ako mefenamic acid. So, yun. Ayan. So, later ulit, guys.